I need a beam, and this here was a skid we used to move a building last year after a flood, and it worked very well for its purposes. As you can see, it's all dirty and skidded. Probably a few rocks in it. A couple of pieces of rebar and ready rod was hammered into it. It was 25 or 27 feet long. The good news is I only need the beam to be 19.2, so this is cut at 19.8 here. Give me a little bit of leeway, and I'm hoping to get 6, like 5.5 by 8 out of it, or 8.5. 9 if I'm lucky, squeeze it out, but 8 will do. Out of this beam, out of this log rather. So one side is cut flat, the building was sitting on. So I got to cut down a little bit on this side. If it's got a little bit of a rounded corners, it doesn't matter. You could have a bit of a rustic look. That's fine. So instead of time lapses, I'm going to cut it in real time. Now, this mill is getting set up over there, and I had extenders for it, and they were taken to a job site, I don't know, ages ago. And the extenders, along with the channel that I had for the extenders, and the fenders were stolen. I've never replaced them because I don't saw a lot of things over 17.3. So 17.3 brings me up to about right here. But like I just said, this is 19.8. So what I'm going to do is cut down. I'll have the end there, cut it off with a saw. Then rotate it, cut it with a saw, get it cut on this side, and then move this piece back onto rollers. There's rollers here, and cut this end up here to suit that. So I have done this before. It's a bit of a pain in the butt. It's not the recommended way to do this, but it's the only beam or the only log that I have that's dry, because this is very dry. I mean, this is it's a spruce, and it's very light for the length of it. That is my maximum cut length. hope somebody has found this helpful and useful. Cheers.